Order as a visitor. Found the product you like? Click Add to Cart to get started. Choose Product Protection Insurance to protect your products against accidental damage and extended malfunction. Pick your preferred coverage, or skip and continue. Review your cart and confirm if you have added the right item you need. You can add shipping protection to help ensure safe and successful delivery. Fees vary by item. Then click Checkout to proceed. On the checkout page, apply a coupon code if you have one. Make sure you click Apply to apply the coupon. Enter your email, delivery address, and phone number. Make sure all details are accurate for efficient shipment. Your email will be used to send order updates and offer support, so kindly provide it as well. Choose your payment method and fill in payment details. By the way, Vosik supports a variety of payment methods. You can find full details and instructions on our payment options page. All set? Click Pay Now to complete your order. Order received. We'll arrange your shipment shortly. Thanks for shopping with us.